When you get access to the DCS, you'll be provided with a username and access. So what you want to do is input your username. Of course, I already have mine set up. Hit next and it will take you into the system. If you're a first-time user, it will ask you for a password. Daintree Controls Software system can be set up with an SSO or just an individual password. So for corporate systems, SSO can be used, which is a secure sign-on. Okay, once you're in the system, it will take you to the admin site. What we're going to do now is show you how a site can be created. This, of course, is dependent upon your level of access that you have to the system. So to add a site, you will go to the Add Site icon, and you will put in your pertinent information. For now, I'll just put in test site. You can tag your facility by region if need be. And of course, put in your time zone. The time zone is needed for astronomical clock purposes. You can also tag your facility. Tags are used as a way to segregate different portions of your portfolio. Also input your address information. I will put in the Hendersonville location. Most times it will auto-populate that information for you as it pulls from the database. You can save that information, or you can save and add more if you have multiple facilities that you want to add. So once you have that information in there, you hit save, and that is how you add a site to the Daintree Controls Software system.